Hello friends, this is Rehan, and in this tutorial we are going to see about portlets. So what are portlets? As I have told in the beginning of the tutorial that portlets are nothing but small application that is built that builds a complete portal. Portal is a collection of small portlets. Okay, so each portlet will do its own operation. Okay, it might depend on other portlets or it might not depend on other portlets as well. That is based on the developer. Okay, you can build both dependent portlets and also independent portlets as well. Okay, so this is what portlets is. Now we are going to see about what are the portlets that is given by default by Liferay, and also there are a lot of other portlets are available in the market where you can download based on your requirement and for your website designing. So this is the main important function, like advantage of using Liferay compared to WordPress and everything. You can just drag and drop the applications itself. Okay, you can develop your own Java application, Java JTE application, and you can just drag and drop that application into this. Okay, so this is the main advantage of portlets in Liferay. Okay, so now we'll go back to our admin. We will create a new page, portlets page. Okay, we will create in a 2-column and add page. Now we are going to the portlets page. Okay, so now we will go through all the portlets. Okay, so Liferay itself totally it provides around 65 plus portlets by default. Okay, so all these 65 portlets are categorized based on how it is used, based on collaboration, community, content management, finance purpose. Based on what purpose it is used, all the portlets are divided based on categories. Actually, these portlets are divided into categories only in this latest version only. Okay, so this highlighted will show the most important portlets which we will be using very often, and the rest other categories have the portlets within it. Okay, before we go to the collaboration portlet, community portlet, and content management, first finish all the other portlets. These portlets are actually the extra portlets that is provided by Liferay, and these portlets are used to build the content and those things and all. Okay, so we'll first finish this lightweight portal in this tutorial, so that it will be easy for us to learn the other high-end portlets. Okay, first I will cover the small portlets, then we will look for the other high advanced portlets. Okay, so as you can see, under finance category there are actually 2 portlets. So what is a portlet? Do remember this point when we are going through this. A portlet is an application that runs that does some operation. Okay, it might depend on other portlet or it might not depend on other portlets. Okay, so this is what is a portlet is. Okay, now we are going to add this currency converter portlet into our portlet into our portlet page. Okay, so it is a currency converter application. So if you want to change from US dollars to Europe or some other, you can just select and can convert it very easily. See, it got converted, and it also provides the updated information if you are connected to the internet. Okay, and the next portlet is here. You can't add the portlet because it is the portlet result page, so you need to go back. Okay, now the next portlet which we are going to add is loan calculator. Okay, So this portlet is used to calculate loan. So it's a small application used to calculate loan. Okay, I hope you know how to do. You just give the input and everything, and you just give calculate. It will show the results. Okay, that's all about the under the finance category. Next is the OpenSocial Gadget. As I have already told in the previous tutorials, that OpenSocial Gadget is a portlet used to import the OpenSocial Gadget applications. Okay, and also you can note that these there are some portlets which are in the block, and there are some portlets which are divided into small blocks icon. So what is it? So if a portlet has a single icon, so that portlet can be used only once inside a page. Okay, see, since we have used the currency converter, loan converter, we can't add any more to our page. But if you want to add a social gadget, one more social gadget portlet, you can add it. So this icon means we can add any number of portlets. This one means you can add only once. Okay, so the gadget category is over. Next is the news category. Under this news category, if you can see, there are three portlets. Two portlets which can be used only once, and third portlet can be added many times. Okay, so we are going to add alert portlet. So this is a sample alert. We will delete this. So alert portlet is usually it will visualize if there is an emergency, or it's like a flash news. So we are going to add manage entries. For Liferay Inc., we are going to add a portlet. Okay, sorry, I mean add a alert. Okay, so the title of the alert is sample alert. I already done it. Just we'll give website like http://google.com. This website will be shut down in 10 minutes. Sorry for the inconvenience. You can also type the data in from the HTML source as well for designing and those purpose. You can also give what type of data it is, and also you can give priority, important or some important and others, and you can also give display immediately or after some time when the shutdown is going to happen, and we will save it. Okay, and we'll go back to the entries. So now this sample alert is displayed with the red box, okay, on its own. So this is alerting, so the user, while he is working on it, if he is refreshing the page, then after he sees the alert, and then he will back up his work. So that's the use of sample, that's the use of alert portlet. You can add only one alert portlet. Next is the announcement portlet. Announcement portlet, it's like similarly like alert portlet only, but it's like a general announcement, like there is going to be a meeting, or there is going to be a function, or there is some important person going to come, similar to that only. Okay, so now we are going to manage entries, and we are going to give a distribution scope to our guest. We are going to add entry. Can give sample announcement. You can also add a URL, just generally adding a Google. Today DJ at 10th floor with our team, so be there at 6 p.m. Okay, this kind of general announcement we can do here, and we can save it. If you go to back to entries, the announcement will be displayed. Okay, so this is just to display an announcement. Okay, then the next portlet is RSS portlet. You know RSS feed, right? RSS feed is like a general, it will provide the information like sample general information it will provide, right? So you can add that also. You can add any number of RSS portlets, okay, since it has the developers has designed that it can be added a lot of times. So we can able to add the portlet any number of times at any in any portion of this page based on the layout which you have created. Okay, next is the sample portlet. So sample portlet is like the portlet is used to test. Okay, it's hello velocity instead of hello world, it's hello velocity portlet. This one is hello world portlet, and this one is IFrame portlet. So IFrame portlet. So basically, what is the use of this IFrame portlet is you can embed another site into this into our own portlet, into our own page. Okay, so that is the use of IFrame portlet. Save it, close it, and if you refresh it, it's not visible. We will give some other site, rehanhana.com. Save. We'll close this website. See that my website is visible inside this portlet. You can also embed any other website into this IFrame portlet. Okay, and the next portlet is web proxy portlet. Normally, web proxy portlet is nothing but it is a portlet that is used similar to the IFrame portlet, but in this portlet it will maintain the session. Suppose if you want like websites like outlook.com to be embedded into or any websites that where you have logged in, and it will get logged out within few minutes. To maintain those sessions, you will use this this web proxy portlet. Okay, you can also give my website name rehanhana.com. okay, and still you can also give other settings like proxy port and these things and all, what type of authentication and authentication username, password, host, domain name, and style sheet CSS also you can give. Okay, and that's all. My web page will be viewed inside this portlet. Okay, skip to content. Okay, actually I think it's actually an ad. Okay, ignore it. So these are the portlets that is under the sample category. Next is the shopping portlet. The shopping portlet we can able to, there are two portlets which are used in shopping categories. One is the Amazon ranking portlet, another one is the shopping portlet. We will add these two portlets. Okay, now this Amazon rankings is nothing but if you want to list out some products from Amazon, like if you go to configuration, so these are ISBN numbers. Actually this is an inbuilt portlet which is designed by the Liferay developers. If you are given this ISBN number, then all those book information and rating will be coming. So that's the use of this Amazon rating portlet. Okay, currently it's not yet configured with an Amazon license. We have to configure it, then only we can able to use. And another portlet is a category portlet. Under this there is already one category, fruits are there. We will try category. Name of the category is electronics. This category contains electronics goods. Okay, we will save it. viewable by who can view this category also can be done. Okay, if you want to add an item, just click on this category. Want to add an item, just add item. Apple phone, iPhone 6, 32 GB, properties, fast and stable. Requires shipping. If you are given requires shipping, then it will show to the users that it will be required shipping, and how many number of items are available also you can find it. 10 is available. I have given 10 here. Who can view this also, you can give this and you can save it. You can also add fields, any other fields. Main thing we had forgot to give the price. Okay, so shipping cost we can give shipping $1,000, minimum quantity at least 1, maximum quantity at least 10. Okay, price just 10 rupees, discount 10, taxable, achieve, and add price. And even you can also add images, and add images, small size image, medium size image also you can add. I think we need to give save. You can also add an extra price here. So that's it, we have given the price, and it is at a minimum quantity, and the price got replicated here. Okay, so similarly you can add a category, add item, and those things and all. Go back to categories. You see there are 2 categories now. Under it one item is there. Just go and browse it. Then the next is cart. You know that your cart is empty. After you bought the product, it will give the subtotal and total shipping cost. There is also one more settings in Liferay, that if you enable coupon, you can also give the coupon code, and you can also give a checkout, or you can empty the cart, which will delete all the things which you have purchased, and also update cart will be like if you want to update it, and we can buy it later. Okay, another thing is orders. This one, like it's admin level, we will come to know what are the orders has come from whom, under the email addresses, and what is the status. Even for the users also we can enable this one. And coupons, we can also add a coupon, or based on percentage we can reduce the amount. From actual also we can reduce the amount. So using this coupon you can do that. You can either add another coupon such that if you use both these coupon, the customers will get a extra reduction. So all these things are all possible in this using this shopping portlet. Okay, and the next is social category portlet. Okay, in this we are the first portlet is activity portlet. We will first add this activity portlet. This will list out all the activities done by all the users. See, in Facebook you would have seen in the top right corner that this man has liked this page, this user and this user has become friends. So all these activities are displayed. So similar to that, all these activities that is done by test user has been displayed here. Okay, group statistics. Okay, so similar to this activities, since we haven't created any groups yet, after we have created some group, and then after some users have made some changes, those statistics will be displayed here. Okay, very simple only. Then notification portlet. This notification portlet is like to this drop down button. We are just displaying the notification in our own page itself. Okay, Next is the request portlet. This request option can be kept outside. Okay, so if there is any request, it will be displayed here. Next is the user statistics. Since there are no active users we have created, there is no statistics for these users. Like we just logged in as Rehan, but we didn't make any changes in the content or anything. So if there is any statistics of that user, it will be displayed here. Okay, you can just go on configuration. So you can also see the rank by contribution, participation, and that social framework which we have seen there, right? Those statistics will be given here. Okay. So in XT and all, you can find that under the profile picture you will find one like number of posts, number of reputation. All these statistics of a user will be coming under this user statistics. For your better understanding, I'll just go here. See, this thanks meter is actually this is actually user statistics. Okay, if you open this user, you can find his full statistic here. See, total number of posts, and all these informations are provided by these statistics portlets. Okay, the next is tools portlet. Tools, these are the extra application. Dictionary, dictionary is nothing but used to search meaning of words. We just type anything, and if you find, we will get the meaning for those words. Language is like if we select any language, the whole website will change. So let's try it on. We are going to select Suomi language. See, the whole content has changed to the Suomi language, the portlet content. So whatever for other languages, whatever names they have given, it got changed. But these are all not changed because these are names which are given by us. Okay. So we will switch back to English. So this is a language portlet. Then our next portlet is network utilities. So using this portlet, we will come to know the network information like DNS lookup, what is our DNS, and who owns this site. Next portlet is password generator. Like if you want to generate a password, you can just give some conditions. Now number should be there, no uppercase, lowercase, length of the password, and you can just give generates, like it will generate on its own, and you can use this password for your own purpose or other purposes also. Okay. And quick note is like sticky notes in Windows, like we are taking notes. You can also change the color of that background. The next is search portlet. The search portlet is used to search the content. So if you give blog, and if you search everything or only this site, you will give everything. So it will display the results on so it will display the results in which the title that has blog, and also in content also blog there. So it will provide all the results. This is the use of this search portlet. Basically, it is used to search within. And the next is sign in portlet. Sign in portlet, it is used to from here also you can sign it. So if you have signed out, this portlet will change to username and password. If since we have signed in, it will show like you are signed in as test. It's a signed in portlet. The next is the translator portlet. This translator portlet, as you know, it's similar to the Google Translate. It is used to translate from English to other languages and other language to English. By default, the developer of this portlet has given some languages. You can check it out, it will work. Okay. Next is a unit converter portlet. This is used to convert from one unit to another unit, from meter to another centimeter, or so here are the length of some units it will get converted. You can also calculate area, volume, mass, temperature. So it's like a small application. So these are the inbuilt portlets which are given. And the last one is a web form. Web form is like In contacts page, basically there will be a form, right? So through that form we will be contacting the website owner or the content developer. So this portlet will basically does that purpose. You can also change to which email address that mail should be done, if you want, if the user need to type captcha or not, after sending the mail, where that page to that portlet should redirect to, which page it should get redirect to. You can give all this information here. Okay, so you can also from address we can change, address to we can change. We can also select it to save it to database, or else we can also save the mail in as a CSV file. We can also set some field. First we have for the username, then the user rating we have asked. Excellent. So everything these are the extra things we can do. We can also add our own field. Suppose a new item we have added, which is like date, email address. Then we will select the type. Okay, let it be a text. Okay, and we will save it. And if you close, we can see now the email address field has came. Similarly, you can create a form by just giving what type of text it is. That's all. This is a web form. Okay, guys, hope you like this tutorial. In the next tutorial we will see all the important portlets that is used to develop the contents and other things, navigation and everything. So in this tutorial, hope you like all the extra features provided by the Liferay. Okay guys, hope you like my tutorials. Do subscribe to my channel and stay updated for more Liferay tutorials. If you like this video, press like button, and see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.